Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology, and when we talk about changes to Windows 10, it's obvious that a lot of people do not want changes. I posted a couple of videos about some of the new features that can make it to Windows 10 in 2024. One of them that we think could be coming also is the Android subsystem for Windows. It actually tinkerers can actually do it. It does work technically, so it doesn't require much for Microsoft to add this. But something that it might actually come in, we don't know yet for sure. But one thing for sure is that all of you out there, when I showed you the centered taskbar, the file explorer, all of that, for the most part, the reception of these new features is kind of negative. Most people are just saying, just leave it alone, please. The Windows 10 is fine the way it is. And, there's the other side of it. We see that in Windows 11, a lot of the features that were added kind of were sometimes buggy or didn't work right. And that is also one of the fears on Windows 10 is that, but if you change that, maybe things are going to be bad, and it's better to just leave it alone. So we'll see through 2024 up to what point Microsoft can and will want to add new features to Windows 10. But it is very interesting, and the comments are interesting also to read about how most of you just want Windows to be the way it is right now, nothing more for Windows 10. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.